Hello everyone! Today, we're tackling a small but important task, cleaning the filter on your Insignia NSTWM41WH8A washing machine. A clean filter keeps your machine running smoothly and prevents unwanted issues. Let's get started and learn how to do it right. First, safety first. Unplug your washing machine from the power outlet. This prevents any accidental starts while you're working. Now, locate the filter access panel. On the Insignia NSTWM41WH8A, it's usually at the bottom right of the machine's front. You might need a flathead screwdriver to gently pry it open. Have a shallow pan or towel ready. Some water might spill out when you remove the filter. Unscrew the filter cap counterclockwise. Be prepared for that small amount of water. Once the cap is off, carefully pull out the filter assembly. It might have collected lint, hair, and small debris. Now it's time to clean the filter. Rinse the filter thoroughly under running water. Use your fingers to remove any stubborn lint or debris. A soft brush can also help. Make sure all the openings in the filter are clear. A clogged filter restricts water flow and reduces cleaning performance. Check the filter housing inside the machine as well. Remove any debris you find inside the housing. A clean housing ensures the filter sits properly and functions correctly. Once the filter and housing are clean, it's time to reassemble everything. Insert the clean filter back into its housing. Make sure it fits snugly. Screw the filter cap back on clockwise. Tighten it securely. But don't over-tighten it. Replace the access panel cover. Push it firmly until it clicks into place. Finally, plug your washing machine back into the power outlet. Run a test cycle to ensure everything is working properly. Choose a small load size and a quick wash cycle. This helps flush out any remaining debris. Cleaning your washing machine filter regularly, about once a month, helps prevent clogs, improves washing performance, and extends the life of your machine. If you notice any unusual noises or poor drainage, it's definitely time to check the filter. That's it for cleaning your Insignia NSTWM41WH8A washing machine filter. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, consider subscribing for more helpful tutorials. Your support helps us create more content like this. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or other tips. Don't forget to share this video with anyone who might find it useful.